These dampers are not going to slow the entire door closing. So the door will close at a normal speed until the last second, and then it will close slowly. The dampers are just designed to stop the door or drawer slamming. 3 factors can affect how many dampers you might need to use. One is the power of the spring in the hinge, so how hard that door is trying to close. If it's a strong spring that's on your kitchen, you'll need more dampers, or maybe even stronger dampers. It doesn't mean that these are faulty if they don't work, it's just they're maybe not compatible. Another factor is the weight in the actual door. With a drawer particularly, there might be a heavy cutlery drawer, and all of that weight's closing, so the damper has to catch a lot of weight. One other common misconception is that smaller doors are easier for the dampers to stop slamming. That's actually wrong. If you've got a smaller door, the damper is actually closer to the hinges, so it's got more work to do in order to stop the door slamming.